Hey everybody, PourMan here, a guiding light, a beacon in these uncertain times. Before I forget, I always forget this part, reach down there, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the upcoming episodes, and also hit that notification bell and they'll let you know anytime PourMan is coming on. So, as you know, we're in uncertain times right now, and different areas are being hit harder than others. Now, Las Vegas, where I live, it's unbelievable. They've literally shut the city down for 30 days. I had to get out of the house, so I took a drive down to the strip, and it was unbelievable. I mean, it was literally deserted. There was nobody there. All along the sidewalks that are normally just full of people, absolutely barren, nothing there. So I do want to take time to give a shout out, because this is the great thing about the country that we live. This is the great thing about America, because a lot of people are stepping up. There's people that are volunteering to help the folks that are shut in, or that are invalid, or that are older, that can't get out and get things. They're offering to go shopping for them, checking on them, check-up groups. There's people that are having dinner in their front yards with all the rest of their neighbors around. Taking advantage of this and making a time that is very serious and still having some fun with it. This might be a great time for you to write a book or do something that you never had the time to do. You may not be working, but that doesn't mean that you can't be working on something. One of my friends who owns a pizza restaurant, they literally, today at noon, they started giving away one free cheese pizza, a large, and they said they will give them out as long as the pizzas hold out. And here's the line was all the way around the block. These are the great things about what Americans, this is what truly we are all about, is helping one another and, you know, doing something in times of crisis to help out your neighbor. And as you recall, PourMan here gave you a version, a quarantine from the other day on how to stay alive, be healthy, and still have a good time doing it while you have a cocktail. And you know, feel free. I didn't put the recipe up on my site, but in the comments below, if you want, shoot it to me, and I'll lay it out for you. So, you're shut in, and you're not really going anywhere, not doing anything. That's okay. You still want to, you know, have a happy hour or do something while you're there. And the great thing is that, you know, cocktails, there's a ton of really cool recipes out there, and you can go as extravagant as you want, but, you know, one of the all-time classics is basically 2 ingredients and an olive, okay? So, all you do is look around and find what you have. And maybe you've got vodka. It doesn't have to be, you know, a sexy, expensive bottle of vodka. It could be whatever. It could be whiskey. It could be, you know, you could get bourbon. Whatever you like to drink. Rum, tequila, okay? Whatever it is you like, some things, like bourbon, you could sip and just sip just that, or tequila. But other things, you want to mix with something. Look at what you have. And if you don't, you know, maybe they've got it at your grocery store, but if they don't sweat it. You can use almost anything as a mixer. Ginger ale, obviously Coke, used in a ton of ways. Club soda, and we've got a soda stream, so we make our own club soda, and you can turn it into tonic water too, if you want. Just infuse it with lemon, and I've got a show coming up on that, and I'll show you how to do that. And then whatever else you want to mix with it. You know, I use raspberry syrup. I bought this. I bought this blackberry syrup at IKEA of all places. You know, and so you can mix one thing with the next, and remember, you know, season the taste. All these recipes I give you, turn around, take the base recipe just like I do. I take another recipe and I go, wow, I wonder what would happen if I took more of this and less of that and added that together, and you have a completely new recipe. Season to taste, I always say. But in the meantime, what are you going to do? Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I think I am going to have one of PourMan's favorites. I believe that I am going to make myself a good old-fashioned Sailor Jerry and Coke. One of my favorite go-tos. It's nice, it's easy, high in octane, 92 proof, and all it takes, 2 ingredients and you can tell, carefully measured amounts. But just remember, whatever you choose to drink, however you choose to make it, in whatever quantities, the important thing is to take this time, do something. We're all going to try and get through this together, and do it with fun, and you want to do it with your family as well. So, from our family, from the PourMan family to your family, cheers. No, you can't have any. So until next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan. We'll see you around.